This is an IC Controls instructional video on how to charge your PPB dissolved oxygen sensor. So first thing you want to do is you want to use some deionized water and rinse off your coils. And this should be done over a sink or a bucket. So you're just going to kind of use some nice clean DI water, rotate your sensor, and rinse it off. And then when you're done rinsing, use a soft, lint-free lab towel such as a chem wipe, and clean it with the direction of the way the coils are wound. So you're just going to go on, not too much force, just a quick rinse. And as you see, you should have nice shiny silver coils and a tip with no tarnish on it. Next, you're going to take your shim, which is a very small, white, thin piece of Teflon. And it goes inside this O-ring groove. So that goes into there. And then you take your O-ring and it goes on top of the shim. Same way you put the shim on, push it into the groove. Next you take your cap, empty cap there, your membrane module goes in upside down into the cap. So you basically have it like that, and you want to fill that cavity with your DO fill solution. Now this solution is caustic, so you should be wearing gloves to do this. And it's good to fill it up, maybe 1/4 of an inch over top. And then tilting your sensor on about a 30-degree angle with the flat spot. There's a flat spot here machined in. That's so any air bubbles can escape. You're going to slowly push in the cap. Line up your threads. And then as you're twisting, you'll see air bubbles or liquid escape through that cap, that flat space, sorry. And again, wear gloves. It's a caustic solution. And you just slowly turn until you feel a stop. And you don't want to go too, these are plastic, they will break if you go too forcefully. So you have to stop there. And then again, take your deionized water, give it a little rinse. Using a chem wipe, dry off, and do not wipe the top. It's a membrane, it will scratch, just blot it. And then that is done. And then you put it back in the flow cell, and you should be okay to go. And that is the charging procedure for a PPB DO sensor.